I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Today's video is going to be a little shorter than normal, and it is also going to be just a little different than normal. For today, I went ahead and took you guys along as I started getting the shop switched over for fall. And for me personally, I don't really care for summer. I hate being hot. And August is my least favorite month of the entire year. So if it were up to me, I'd just skip it. So I decided to go ahead and get the shop all ready for fall. And so I did a complete switch over of all of my front displays and put up fall. And so the first part of the video is going to be me switching out one of my bigger displays for fall, so you'll get to kind of see me take it down, clean some stuff really fast, and then put it all back together again really fast. I didn't want to make the video too terribly long. And then the second part of the video is going to be a shop tour. So I hope you enjoy it. I know I don't do tours very often, but the shop's in good shape. It's actually pretty clean and everything's relatively organized at the moment, so I thought it was a perfect time to show you guys around. So anyway, without further ado, let's get to today's video. So as you can imagine, the first step to this process is taking down my original display. And this took me a while because everything was pretty dusty and all needed to be wiped off as I was taking it down. So I am just going to let you guys kind of watch as I finish taking down my spring and summer display. Then it was time to rebuild, and I like to add a lot of height to this display. It's right kind of in the middle of the shop, and it's basically one of the first things people see as they go into the heart of my shop, and I really like it to be nice and full and tall and really catch the eye. So I'm starting with my bigger pieces, of course, and I do a lot of experiments, I guess. As I'm doing this, I will put a piece in, take a piece out, and just kind of move things back and forth until I feel like it's in exactly the place it needs to be. So you'll see me do a lot of that as I reconstruct this display using some fall stuff that I've gotten recently and some left over from last year. So this is the view as you enter through the front door of my shop. As you turn to the right, there's this smaller display that kind of sets the tone for what's going on in the rest of the store. I always dress this one up to kind of mimic what's behind it in the bigger display and just add some different florals and textures to catch the eye. Then I'm just going to take you around in the same direction my customers normally take. You can see Salty is fast asleep there on her table. And I'm just going to show you all of the different displays and vignettes throughout my shop. did you guys think of my fall displays? I hope you liked them. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel, and then can't talk today. Then just hit the little notification bell so don't miss anything. And then throw a comment below. Let me know what you thought of my fall displays and the shop tour. I always love hearing from you guys. Now, I also wanted to just say I do carry several lines here in the shop of products that I'm very proud to offer to my viewers, and those include DIY paint and products, Sweet Pickins milk paint and products, as well as recycled decoupage papers and some Redesign with Prima. Now, I just received the new release from Redesign with Prima for the third quarter of the year, and there were a few items that I didn't get the first go round, so I thought I would share those with you really quick today. So I'm just going to show you. It's all the Froggy Meadow Green series. So there is a large transfer. It is super adorable. It's got that beautiful little frog, and this one comes in 2 pieces, 2 big sheets, kind of like the one I did on the window for the last video. And then there's a mold that goes with it. It's got some adorable little froggies. And then there are 3 transfer sizes. So there's there's the big transfer. There's this midi transfer that is 3 sheets. So you get all 3 of those sheets of beautiful flowers, lots of greenery, and of course the frogs. And then there is the maxi transfer, which is a 12 by 12. Looks like this, and you can see on the back here, so it's 2 big 12 by 12 sheets. The frog, you guys, they're just so cute. I just love them. And then there is a decoupage paper. This is a A1 decoupage paper, so it's 23.4 inches by 33.1 inches, and it looks like this. So absolutely fantastic. Now the paper, I got 3 of these in. They're out of stock at the website, so I don't know if there'll be more coming. I doubt it. Most of these things are limited stock. So if you want this, make sure you put in an order quick for it. Now, another thing I just wanted to mention is I did have a couple leftovers from last year as far as the molds go. And I just wanted to put this out there. I've still got a couple of these Holly Jolly Holidays that are the beautiful holly branches. And also the Crimson Blooms, which is a pretty poinsettia. So if you're looking for more ideas for Christmas, I just thought I'd throw these out there. And then the Elegant Archangel. Now, if you saw with the most recent release, there was a paper, a decoupage paper, that had angels in it. And I think these, the molds, would go beautifully with that decoupage paper. I'm planning on ordering more of the decoupage paper into the shop, but I only have a couple of these left. So again, if you want one, just grab one. And then lastly, we had this decoupage paper that came out with the trucks on it. And I also have several of these molds left that have the trucks that would coordinate beautifully with the paper. So I just thought I'd give you guys some ideas of some things that I thought would coordinate well and for your Christmas DIY projects. So anyway, that is it from here for today, you guys. I know it's kind of a short video, but I did a wreath, and when I added all the video, even at high speed, it made the video way too long for today. So I'm saving the wreath making for Tuesday's video. So join me on Tuesday, and I will be showing you a beautiful wreath that I created using only Dollar Tree florals. So it turned out fantastic. I can't wait to show that to you guys. So join me on Tuesday for that. And until then, I hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. Hopefully it's not too hot where you are. It is 102 degrees, I think, outside right now today. It's supposed to get a little warmer. Hopefully today is the hottest day of the week though, so fingers crossed. Hopefully we cool down from here. Anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I so appreciate it, and I will see you back here on Tuesday. Bye.